Hi, my name is Mariette Abrahams, CEO and founder of Qina, the hub for data and insights in personalized nutrition. And today I want to talk about how to leverage text analytics for new product development. And so we see three ways that we could use QinaVer for new product development. And the first one is using it as a searchable content library. So we have a lot of content that is focused just on the personalized nutrition industry, and you can very easily see which are the hot topics in personalized nutrition, what gets discussed the most, and what is really pertinent to the industry. So you can use those kind of insights in terms of the topics that appear, in terms of getting some inspiration or some insights into which topics are really hot right now. The next one is using it as an insights tool. So QinaVer, as I've shown, is very useful to compare kind of keywords, phrases, topics, and analyze them by comparing different time frames. And so here you can really see, for example, that maybe immunity was a hot topic 2 years ago, but now it's more around health, or about gut health, or about mental wellness, or physical activity. And so you can very easily then get insights using the QinaVer tool to see which topics really resonate and which ones are really trending at the moment, seeing what the sentiment is about specific keywords, topics, or even brands, and how that changes over time. So it can really give you insights and reducing kind of failure rates by getting more objective data to base your strategy on. And the last one is to use it as a repository. So we can also help companies to get some of their different data sets. So this could be from different focus groups, from different surveys, and analyze them using our machine learning algorithms that we've programmed using our domain expertise, to then understand what kind of topics have come out the most, what are the participants talking about the most, what is most important to them, and see if there's any insights we can gather by combining different data sets. So it could be from marketing, it could be from customer relations, it could be from the nutrition team, and all of these different data sets can be combined and analyzed using the QinaVer tool, using our predefined categories that will then provide you insights into the direction that you could possibly go into. And of course, we can help you with that. We wouldn't expect you to do that on your own, but your folder would be accessible to you, and all the different teams can have access to the insights tool, so that depending on the interest that you have, the specific questions that you have or you're asking, everybody can then use their specific categories to hone in onto a specific area. So I hope that's been useful and excites you in terms of how you can use QinaVer. And in our next video, we'll talk about specific use cases in terms of using QinaVer in real life. I'll see you on the next video.